Hello, today I'm in Renault Talisman. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can manage the cruise control. Right here, if you press, you'll use horn. On the right side, we've got the panel thanks to which we can change radio station and navigate through instrument cluster menu. This button allows us to activate voice assistant. And thanks to this button we can go to menu on the instrument cluster. Behind the steering wheel we've got the panel thanks to which we can change radio volume, radio station, radio source. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.